technical issue. हेलो, रजिस्टर करो ना। करने के बाद में इमीडिएटली मेल आएगा, मेल से हो जाएगा। हाँ, कर ही रहा ना, मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया, जेहान कर लिया। So we'll start. Meanwhile, technical team is joining. So we saw the non-farm payroll data came on in the US, and which was indicating that the employment figure is still strong, and unemployment rate came at 3.5% against expectation of 3.6%. So data in the US are still strong, and are indicating that that the Fed can still continue to remain cautious about the inflation, and can increase the interest rate in the next Fed meeting. Whereas the US market saw some positive gain on Thursday, whereas the futures are also with flattish, and Asian markets are indicating some softness, marginal softness in today's morning trade. So overall, index is likely to remain range bound in today's trade. Uh, so technical team is still waiting to join. Jian, you can meanwhile start.
So we can start now.
Yeah, you're there, Swati.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, okay. Continue.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to be open with a gap up opening, and we're likely to witness some positive move during a day. Now, on the technical front, as of now, the immediate resistance lies at 17,670. If it surpasses that level on the closing basis, then this pullback rally is likely to be extended towards 17,750 to 17,840 levels on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, as of now, immediate support is placed at 17,500 level. Any move below that level, we might witness some profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 17,400 levels on the downside. The view will remain positive. We are witnessing a pullback rally, so one can hold their long positions as long as Nifty sustains above 17,500 levels on the closing basis. Looking towards the Bank Nifty chart, the view also remain a positive. We are witnessing a pullback rally on the Bank Nifty side, and this rally is likely to be continued towards 41,650 levels on the high side and 42,000 levels On a downside, the immediate support is placed at 41,000 levels. Any move below that level might witness some profit booking, which might take a bank nifty towards 40,800 and 40,680 levels on the downside. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 18,590, 18,670 are the crucial resistance zone for the Fin Nifty, whereas on the downside, the support lies at 18,400 and 18,290 levels. So the view overall on the market will remain positive. We are witnessing a pullback rallies. So those who are having any long positions, they can hold on with the mentioned stop losses. Now coming towards the stock specific, Kolpal looks really good on the technical front. We believe that it's witnessing a very strong positive momentum on the daily and the weekly chart. One can take a long position at the current market price. We are looking for a target of 1580 and one can maintain the stop loss of 1500 levels. That's it from my end. I request everybody guys to take a call.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives data front, as we are seeing the OI positions from the put front is continuously getting added up at near ATM strike. In Thursday session also, we have seen that at 17,600 strike, almost 8 million position of put write up got added up. Well, but against that, we are seeing that the call write up positions are also getting aggressively added on the upper strike towards 17,900 to 18,000 level. Currently, if we look at the overall scenario, it is quite visible that the positive momentum will continue, but the Nifty is strongly facing resistance at 17,850 to 17,900 level on the upper end. While against that, we are seeing that the India VIX closed at 11.80. India VIX is coming down sharply from 16 levels. It has came down to 11.8 level. The supportive base for the India VIX is at 10.5. Once if India VIX comes near 10.5 level, at that point of time, we might see some profit booking in the market, and again India VIX will start getting to rise up, and the volatility will increase in the market. So trend is positive. We should hold a long position and create a new long position till the Nifty is coming around 17,800 to 850 level. From that level, we might witness some profit booking scenario in this market. Currently on the weekly basis also, we are seeing that the OI positions are getting added up. So on the Thursday trading session on the weekly expiry, we might see some volatility. Till that point of time, the positive momentum will be continued in the market. While PCR yesterday on the Thursday closed at 1.20 level, it closed at a positive level, and we expect the PCR on the upper end to stretch towards 1.35 to 1.40 level. Till the time PCR is holding 0.98 level at this time, till that point of time we should hold our long positions. So this is the overall index view on the derivative front. One of the stock specific, we expect AB Capital and Voltas. These two counter has strongly added OI positions in the Wednesday and Thursday trading session. So we expect buying momentum will be seen in today's trading session. So we should keep watch on these two counters. So that's it on the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Credit Access Grameen, the MFI leader, has come out with Q4 update. The update is positive. Advances grew 18% sequentially, which is the highest in last 3 years, that is last 12 quarters. And also on year-on-year basis, loan growth has accelerated to 27%, which is highest in last 8 quarters. Loan book is now at 21,000 crores. Disbursements came at 7,200 crore versus sequential 4,800 and year-on-year 5,800. So we think market had concerns regarding growth in credit access, as the company was not accelerating its disbursements in the first 3 quarters of FY23 despite improving asset quality. With the Q4 update, we think that market will now assume that company is back on the growth path, and thus there can be outperformance in the stock. Because of lack of growth, stock had not been performing well in last 1.5 year. It has been at this level stagnant at 900 to 1,000 rupees. We think that now is a good time that stock can outperform. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Shyam Metallics came out with its Q4 update, wherein the gross sales grew by 13% sequentially and 18% year-on-year to rupees 3,270 crores. Sales were higher mainly due to higher volumes and better realizations in finished steel and sponge iron. So this is positive for Shyam Metallics. Apart from this, Kalyani Steels has commissioned a coke making facility with the capacity of 2 lakh ton, and has partially commissioned waste heat recovery based captive power plant of which is of 18 megawatt. And this waste heat recovery is adjacent to Kalyani Steel's steel plant, which is situated in uh, Koppal district in Karnataka. So this is positive for Kalyani Steel. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, few more news like Titan has reported quarterly update of their sales, and which is indicating a positive trend. The sales has increased by around 25% year on year, including jewelry by around 23%, watches by 41%, eye care by 22%, and emerging business by 84%. So in aggregate, if we combine all these things, it works out to somewhere at around 20%. But management has indicated that the sales has grown by 25%, indicating that there could be some uh, block, some coin sale, or maybe some direct gold sale by the company. So that's why indicating 25%. Even if we consider 20% sales growth year on year, that is also ahead of expectation of 14%, which market was expecting. So we'll have a positive impact of that. In this, management has also indicated that the January and February went very well, whereas March has seen some correction. So there is some softness in the sales in the March month, mainly because of the sharp increase in the gold prices. So overall, seems positive for the company. Apart from that, government has accepted the Kirit Parikh recommendations for gas pricing. Earlier, the gas pricing were decided based on the four international regional prices, and average of that for 6 months. The prices used to change, but now the prices will be linked to the Brent. Then now it will be 10% of the Brent prices, with floor price of 4 and peak price of 6.5, and the prices will increase by zero point 0.5 dollar uh, after 2 years. Uh, though in short term, the IGL and all these gas marketing company will be benefiting, as the gas prices were high, and all these prices companies have announced reduction in prices by around rupees 8. But in the long run, we feel that ONGC, Oil India, and HOEC, who are the producer of the gases, are likely to benefit. ONGC, Oil India, used to get prices lower than $4 for many part of their life of the gas, and they were incurring losses and not able to recover the cost. But with this floor price now, they will consistently remain in profit, and the long range price, which is the right way of calculating the life of the gas field, will be much positive as compared to the earlier period. So we feel that it will act as a positive for Oil India and ONGC, whereas Indraprastha Gas and IGL and MGL and all, which used to sell the gas at around 45, 50 rupees. But now with the linking of the prices to Brent, those prices are not expected. Now the price will be even after this reduction, the prices are at around 75 to 80 rupees, which is not much discount to the diesel. As such, will may not be able to encourage people to go for CNG gases immediately, until unless there is a big difference in the price of the diesel or petrol and CNG. So it and see all these IGL and MGL has run up in the recent past, so we expect them to correct in the today's trade. Apart from that, JLR has announced the wholesale sales volume for the quarter, and that has come at 94,649, up by around 24% year on year and 19% quarter on quarter. So that is also positive for the. That's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. We have witnessed a gap down opening in gold and silver. Uh, Prices are expected to test 60,000 to 59,850 on lower end. 59,850 seems to be a good support area from where we expect pullback to be witnessed. So for pullback, one can buy around 59,900 to 850 and maintain a stop loss of 59,700. On pullback, we can see 60,200 to 300 levels on higher end. Silver prices also are expected to correct, and for trading purpose, one can sell with a stop loss of 74,800. Prices can test 73,700 to 500 levels on lower end. Crude oil prices, we expect prices to trade in a range from 6,700 to 6,500. One can initiate a buy around 65.70 to 65.50 levels, and one maintain a stop loss of 6,500. On higher end, 67.50 is the target, and if closes above that, then we can see further rally in crude oil prices. Natural gas prices are trading weak, and it could test 163, 160 levels on lower end. So weak below 175. So for trading purpose, one can sell around 173 and maintain a stop loss of 178. In metal front, copper, one can witness range bound movement from 778 to 763. However, buying is recommended at 768 levels and maintain a stop loss of 773. In zinc prices, if correct below 246 levels, then we may see further correction in prices. Else a pullback till 250 could be witnessed, whereby again selling pressure will be witnessed. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take off from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. In USD INR, one can create short position if we get as we recommended on last trading session also. So we can take short position around if we get levels of 81.90 to 82.03 levels for the target of 81.75 and 81.60 levels. In Euro INR, one can create short position around 89.40 levels with a stop loss of 89.62 levels for the target of 89.10 levels. Thank you.